Hi guys, welcome to another interesting tutorial. Here I'll be sharing with you list of materials needed for hip and butt padding. I'll be showing you the materials needed for this hip padding one after the other. So I will start by showing you the foam. The foam is number one material that you need in making the hip pad. So the foam, it comes in different inches. So this one is like half of an inch. So you can get 1 inch width. 1 inch width is perfect for hip padding. So because this half of an inch is too soft, and you need to support it with the warden before you can use this half of an inch. So you can get this in different sizes. We have 1 inch width, we have 2 inches width. It depends on how big you want the hip to be. So, and after that we have the warden. This is warden. This warden is used in the 90s to pad the bust area, to pad the bust area in the 90s. It does not have gum. This side is like ash color, and the other side is whitish, like white color. So we also use this in the course of the tutorial. So after that, the next one is the normal warden. This is very common in the market. If you are in Nigeria, if you just tell them you want to buy warden, it has different level of thickness also. So you can get it in the thickest one or the medium one. So you can get the medium one. So this is warden. It has gum on one side. The gum will be also used during the course of the tutorial. I will show you how the gum is of advantage. So after that, the next one is our gum. So this gum is very common in the market. B6000 is very effective when you want to pad the butt, the hip and butt area. So you can get B6000 in the market. Fabric gum. It's a fabric gum, and please don't use hot gum, that hot glue. You can't use it in padding your hip. It's not okay. It's not ideal to pad the hip. So another one is this gum. This is the reason why I use this one. This is called you can get this in the market or in the fabric carpentry shop also, where they sell carpentry materials, or where from shoemakers you can get it from cobblers. So this one is, they call it in Nigeria FO stick. I don't know if the English is correct, but it's FO stick. If you say FO stick, they will get you this gum. This is the type of gum we used when we were in the secondary school those days. There is this material that they used to pack all this. Maybe we will buy a new TV, you will see this whitish material there. We'll mix it with petrol and it will form this. I don't know if you have done that before, but I've done it severally and it works. So at the end of the day, this is the result that we'll get from mixing that whitish material with petrol. So this is very, very effective, and it's not expensive. So it's affordable. You can get it for as low as 200 naira. So you use it. We use it also in the course of the tutorial. So this is what I use mostly. I don't go for this because this is a little bit expensive. So, and this is another type of gum. This is Y7000. It also is effective. So the next thing, the next material is you need your scissors. There are some trimmings that you are going to do. So you need your scissors to be very sharp, so that you will use it to blend some areas in the course of the tutorial, because if you don't blend, the hip will look artificial. So that's why we trim some areas down. So, and lastly is your thread and needle. Your needle and thread, you use the needle and thread for tacking. So let me look for, I don't know, it just fell down while I was about making this tutorial. So the last one is your needle and thread. This is your needle and thread. You need your needle and thread to be able to tack down. I believe with all this, you'll be able to achieve a dress with hip padding that is looking real and not fake.